Now, why Packer? We use Packer because of the evolving architecture at enterprises. So initially we had environments, they were on-prem, they were on premises. But apart from being on premises, they now move to the cloud. Now, apart from being in the cloud, from the cloud, they're moving to containers. So this is on-prem, on-prem, on-prem. It has now moved to cloud. And even within cloud, it is now moved to container. So because of this, there's an ever-evolving architecture, right, of how companies want their infrastructure, or not just infrastructure, want their application to basically run. So we had on-prem, but it evolved. Now we have hybrid. It is going to the cloud. Now, even within the cloud, now we are spreading out to use container. Now, because of this, the architecture is ever evolving. Now, Packer comes to help us mitigate that, because like on-prem, you knew that you had 3-4 servers that are running that you can manage. But when you go to cloud, on demand, I can provision 20 servers, right? But when it comes to containers, I can run 500 containers. So the architecture is ever evolving, and therefore we need a product that is going to be intelligent enough to help us manage that. Then Packer will automate image builds across platforms. So I can create images on Linux, I can create images on Windows, I can create images on Mac OS. So I can definitely automate building of images, building of different images, different platforms. I can create Ubuntu images, Red Hat images, I can create Amazon Linux images, right? So Packer will help us automate that. Now, we're going to maintain consistency across our workload. The reason is because once I have an instance. Once I create an instance, now from this instance, I can create an image. Now, once I create an image from this instance, I can create multiple instances, right, using that same image. So I start off with one instance. I create an image of it. Then from that image, I can create multiple instances. And these multiple instances will be consistent because they are all created from the same image. Okay. So whatever software was in this, all these instances will have consistency. So we are going to maintain a consistent workload. Then also building your ideal image for the workload, because we can customize it. We can put in our software, the softwares that we do want. So because of Packer, we can customize and build an ideal image for our workloads. So those are some of the reasons why we use Packer, or why Packer is very popular.